Hi guys, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off our stories with Adina, who in a recent interview opened up about how Kiddy inspired her to get better and get back to work after her fibroid surgery. She shared that she had dark thoughts prior to the surgery and even wondered if she was going to die. However, after observing Kiddy's work ethics, she had to motivate herself, saying that she was going to do the surgery, come back, heal, and get back to work like he was doing. She went on to add that she was overwhelmed by the reception she got when she shared her fibroid journey. The reaction she got from people also inspired her to heal and get back to work, to show people going through the same journey that they can do it. Surgery is not the end of the road. That's beautiful. Now, moving on, King Promise has shared that the choreography to his hit single, Terminator, has contributed immensely to the success of the song. According to him, music and dance go together, and it's no secret that the blend of the two has pushed his song to a larger audience. He went on to state that he respects all dancers. He felt the choreography to this song was only right and perfect, since he didn't really do that a lot. Now, still on dances and dancers, Incredible Ziggy has joined the campaign to include a dance category at the prestigious Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. According to him, dancers need to be awarded for the VGMAs, because they contribute immensely to the success of songs released by artists. What do you think? Let us know on our social media platforms. But moving on to our last story, Stonebwoy has announced plans to combine 3 of his iconic shows into one unforgettable event at the Accra Sports Stadium. He is combining the Ashaiman to the World Festival, the Fifth Dimension Homecoming, and the BIM concert into a single night of music, unity, and celebration. And of course, we cannot wait to cover that event, because, you know, we at MX24, we've got you covered. So guys, that's about it for today. That's it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment and lifestyle, we at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow at MX24GH on all our social media platforms. I'm out.